Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Temi and I am a graduate software developer working in the UK. So as you can see by the title of this video, I am going to be announcing the winners of the giveaway that I announced a few weeks ago. To remind you of the prizes up for grabs were a brand new Google Nest Mini, a mechanical backlit keyboard, a Bluetooth controlled tripod, and lastly, a super fast charging kit from Anker. The rules of the giveaway were that you had to be subscribed to this channel, you had to also be following my educational tech platform on both Instagram and Twitter, so that was Simplex Code. So now what I'm going to do is pick the 4 winners randomly. There were 225 entries, which is absolutely crazy. I can't believe that many of you entered. To make it fair, I'm just going to select the prizes in order of the picture that I posted on my Instagram. So to pick the winner, what I'm going to do is use a website called Appseretos, and what it does is it allows you to put the URL for your giveaway picture and then it will pick a random comment for you. On the website you can put in the minimum number of mentions and etc. etc. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to insert a screen grab if I can over here so you can see me picking the winner as I'm doing it. Waiting. If you see me looking down, by the way, I am using my laptop to pick the winners. So I'm just now waiting. It's now generating and it's just loading. So yes, we will see who's gonna win. It's taking forever. Okay. So now I'm gonna go to settings. I'm gonna say 4 winners. Minimum of mentions was 3, and let us pick confirm. So starting the countdown, and we're gonna see who wins. So the website has now picked 4 winners. The first winner is Comlan. Congratulations, you have won the mechanical backlit keyboard. The second winner is Daniel F. Olivares. Congratulations, you have won the Bluetooth controlled tripod. The third winner is It's Haneen09. Congratulations, you have won the brand new Google Nest Mini. And the last winner is Vibhusha Raval. Congratulations, you have won the super fast iPhone charging kit from Anker. And it's really exciting that you won actually, because we're actually friends. We indirectly work together. So congratulations, Vibhusha. So congratulations to all 4 of you. I'll be in touch very soon so I can get your addresses and send you your prizes. And thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel since I've even started. I'm now at around 750 subscribers, which is absolutely crazy. I really appreciate all your support. That's why I've done this giveaway, and that's why I will continue to do more giveaways in the future. I'm really grateful for you guys for subscribing to my channel, watching my videos, commenting, etc. So I will have more cool content coming up for you soon and other giveaways in the future. So again, don't be discouraged if you didn't win. I'm sure you'll win something in the future. Bye everyone. See you in my next video.